The screen comes in a 7-inch touch panel with full HD 1080p display and FreeSync technology with a 120Hz refresh rate. It also has a 7 milliseconds response time and 500 nits of brightness, which makes it great for gaming. The screen also has a Corning Gorilla Glass EXC coating that reduces surface reflections while also increasing hardness by over 40% for improved scratch resistance. So this makes it great for use in outdoor environment. The ROG Ally has 512 gigabytes of internal storage, but you can add additional storage by using the micro SD slot on the console located right here on the top left. Now going over some of the controls we have here, we have the 2 thumbsticks, which you can see right here. And then we also have a D-pad here on the left side. You have your standard Xbox and Windows buttons, A, B, X, Y. On top, you have the left bumper and the right bumper. Then you have right trigger and left trigger, and they're both very comfortable to use. On the back of the ROG Ally, you also get these nice back buttons. So you get 2 back buttons in the back here. And then this button right here is important. That is your command center. That's where you can change the performance mode, the controller mode, different game profiles, setting up an FPS limiter, or showing real-time statistics on your screen. You can also control the brightness and volume here. Then you have another button right on top, which switches between some screens. On the top right of the screen, you have this menu button that allows you to do different things within the game or within Windows. And finally, you have the Armory Crate button you see right here that allows you to go straight to Armory Crate, where you can launch any of your games that you wish to play. And you also can see here, it shows all your gaming platforms, for example, Battle.net or Steam. You can go into these and launch any game from here. On the top of the ROG Ally, you have a 3.5mm connector for a gaming headset, your micro SD card reader, as well as a connection port, and the power connector goes right here. It's a USB-C power connector. You have your volume up and down here. And then you have a battery and power indicator, as well as a power button. Yeah, the thing I like most about the ROG Ally is that you can access all your games since it's running Windows 11. The included Armory Crate software lets you launch all your games from one place, whether they be on Battle.net, Steam, or even Epic Games Launcher. A nice bonus is that the Ally comes with 3 months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, which is included absolutely free. And the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate also allows you to use their streaming gaming platform, so allows you access to even more games. So as we see here on top, you have some ports for venting the hot air out. And on the back, you also have some slots. And ASUS used the new zero gravity thermal system and a dual fan design to keep the Ally cool and quiet. While using the Ally, you have full control of how you want to use your system by using Command Center. With the built-in battery, you can expect about 1 to 2 hours of gaming, depending on the frame rate and brightness settings you have. But you can quickly charge the battery up to 50% within about 30 minutes with its fast charging technology using the included 65-watt power adapter. So if you're looking for a handheld portable gaming console, they can also function as a PC running Windows 11, then look no further than the ROG Ally.